As Ju had told Tang to collect all the void butterfly insect eggs present here, and Tang does exactly as he told her. She collects the butterfly eggs present in contact with all the people present here and gives them to Ju. When all the eggs are collected, RMC takes those eggs in his fist and crushes them in one blow. When he does this, the void beast appears in front of RMC again due to anger and right in front of him. RMC was in full fighting position. And then he sets out to fight the void beast. However, when RMC was planning this, Sun Jiao told him that Zhu Yi, if a professional who is not a summoner wants to use summoning, the only way is to use summoning props. So the summoner itself is the best and most special summon item. That's why Sun Jiao collected all her magical power in an eyeball and made it a summon item and handed it over to RMC so that RMC doesn't face much trouble. And if RMC engages this void beast by continuously fighting it, he can activate Sun Jiao's secret sealing method. And by now Zhu had reached very close to the void beast and was continuously attacking it, and the void beast was getting very irritated seeing the attacks of RMC. He was angry that for how long this man has been fighting, but he still has so much strength that he is able to fight for such a long time. Although the monster was continuously dodging RMC's attacks and was also telling RMC during the fight that whatever you are trying, unfortunately, it is all useless against me. But then RMC attacks him with a powerful sacred energy, which causes a lot of damage to the beast as soon as it hits it. And the beast gets scared after seeing this, that how are you still able to do this? Now a magic type spell was coming out from Zhu's side, on seeing which the beast got scared. And at this time Zhu was present right above the beast ready to attack. On seeing this, the beast angrily says that you are mad. Have you not figured out yet that you can never catch me? As soon as the void beast says his point, it again starts going into it through a time-space crack, and slowly the crack starts closing. However, at that time RMC also immediately enters that crack and makes a powerful attack on the beast, due to which it gets damaged. Seeing himself injured, the beast becomes angry and in anger says that this has happened to me once, so do you think that you can feel proud by injuring me like this? After this, he also attacks RMC with a strong attack and says again that you are an arrogant human, so give me, the god of space-time, a chance to show my full power. The beast had done some void-type attacks on RMC from which RMC was not able to save himself, and wherever the attacks hit, they had given very strong scratches on RMC's body, and the attacks were so powerful that RMC was facing a lot of trouble in facing them. Then he remembers Sun Jiho's words when Sun Jiho was telling him all the ways to fight this beast. The summoner's magical power enables him to travel through the turmoil of time and space and summon powerful demons. So if you capture it, you can not only open the seal. Sun Jiho could come to protect RMC through the cracks in time and space, but her magical power was limited, so even if she came here she couldn't keep RMC safe. So she told RMC the trick. After entering the space-time disturbance, you have to race against time to attack the void beast, leaving it weak and vulnerable. Thinking about all these things, Jiho was continuously attacking the beast, like sometimes Holy Light Hurricane, sometimes Punishment of Light, and sometimes Holy Fist combo attack. However, during this he was also getting a lot of damage, and now his condition was not such that he could fight much, but he was trying his best to find the right time to start the secret technique. After injuring RMC so much, the beast angrily says that don't be too satisfied because I will kill you right now. Then we see Zhu, who raises his hand and thinks that I cannot hold on any longer because I have become too weak, and immediately he uses divine punishment, due to which a powerful light comes and hits the beast. Soon after, the eyeball that Sun Jiho gave to RMC activates, revealing its magical abilities. As its power surges, it immediately connects with the sealing array, forcefully locking both soul and body within its confines. Anyone caught in the array experiences a drastic slowdown, rendering them unable to move. However, now RMC is not in a fighting condition at all, as he was using two of his divine bodies at the same time, which drained him of most of his magic power, and he was also continuously using his skills. due to which he no longer has the ability to fight. But the array that was activated now will work only with his magical power. So it continuously and forcefully collects magical power from RMC's body and starts capturing the Void Beast, seeing himself in such a situation. The Void Beast tries hard to escape. And RMC is slowly falling into an unconscious state. If he does not regain consciousness, then that secret technique will be of no use. However, then all the old incidents start repeating in his mind, like the one where Yong told him that I like you, and the headmaster also told RMC that you are the only hope of this school. We have been winning continuously, and this time also we will win because of you. As soon as he remembers all this, his heart starts beating very fast. After this, he sees another vision where we see Yong who comes in the lap of RMC, and immediately she turns into a succubus and starts kissing RMC, and as soon as this happens, RMC's eyes open automatically. But at this time his eyes are completely red, and as soon as he regains consciousness, he starts giving his magical power to that array. As soon as Ju's power enters the array becomes stronger and strips mixed with holy energy emerge from within it, which start to continuously grip the Void Beast and after some time, tie it down and make it fall at one place. Seeing itself in such a condition, the Void Beast accepts its defeat out of fear. Meanwhile, Ju gets a notification from the system that you have subdued the Void Beast. Do you want to take it as a summoning beast? But Ju angrily asks the beast to hand over Yong to him. When he says this, he angrily slaps the beast's eyes. Due to which the beast screams in pain and says, I know that you are talking about that girl. She is fine. I will hand her over to you right now. After this, the Void Beast brings Yong in front of RMC and RMC immediately takes Yong back to the secret realm. As soon as other people present their RMC, they all become happy. Zealand comes running and asks about Yong's well-being and Sun Jiho standing next to him asks RMC about the Void Beast whether he has subdued the Void Beast. After this, we also see some people talking that the transmission has resumed. Should we take any action? And on the other hand, Tang quickly takes Yong from RMC's hand and asks about the further action. Then after this, RMC raises his hammer in the air and everyone gets scared seeing this and says in fear Juyi, what do you mean by this? Then someone else says, what do you want to do now? Then RMC angrily says while hitting his hammer on the ground that the game will continue. As soon as RMC does this, other people present there get very scared that Juyi has gone mad. Then someone else says that he is thinking of beating us all. Then RMC again says in anger that surrender or challenge me. After this, all the people present there start surrendering one by one. Like Wang Zuan is the first one to surrender and says that I am really impressed by you and even at this moment you are thinking of fighting. We were never enemies. Zealand also says while surrendering that yes, we just wanted to check your power. Then someone else says that our desire to win was also very strong. Then after this continuing everyone starts surrendering saying that forget it, we do not want to be beaten by you. So friends, chapter ends here. Now what will happen next? We will know in the next chapter. So subscribe to our channel, share the video, and like.